All right. Let's do this. So I've been shopping once again. Here we've got a solid amount of stuff to get through. So essentially I'm trying to find a solid pair of track pants. Now right here I have a really good variety of Fear of God, the Nocta Drake track pants. I've got Nike, I've got Adidas, and I want to find out how good they are. And of course I thought you guys, you like the clothing videos, so that's what we're going to do here today. Plenty of packages. Let us get straight into it. So first one on top, ASOS. They pretty much have any brand under the sun. So what I'm going to do actually is get this out of the way. Got two from ASOS, a Nike and an Adidas. So let me just kind of give you an idea of what I'm looking for. So track pants being like those swishy pants, yeah, I want that. Now there are some key things that I'm looking for with these track pants. Specifically, I like to have adjustable cuffs. That's a big thing for me. Obviously I want the quality to be good. Right now it's winter time, so I do want something that is also going to be keeping me warm. So this is the first one I got. This is Nike. So far the length of these seems pretty decent, but this is as plain as it gets. Just regular ass Nike track pants. The swish pants when you're walking. It's definitely a nice quality. I think I paid £70 for this and I got a size small. So of course I'll be trying these on and giving you my verdict on whether I like these or not. And then we got some Adidas ones. Now the thing is, this is super straight, but the advantage of that is you get the adjustable cuff, which can look really sick. Not much going on here. You do have some pocket action. These are also 70 bucks. So this is kind of like the basic version. Here is what you get from Nike. This was from the Sneakers app. This is Drake's collaboration with Nike called Nocta or Nocta. So essentially what I'm looking for is better quality than what I saw with the kind of more affordable option from Nike, because this one is significantly more expensive. I believe this is £120 as opposed to 70. So this better be worth it. Comes with a whole lot of paper. Okay, one thing I will say is the material feels pretty damn nice. That is something that you are going to notice. I mean, it's pretty similar to the Nike ones we had. There's not that much details on this either. You do have a little texturized rubber logo of the Nike imprint, and you also have some Nocta branding or Nocta branding down at the lower leg, just there. Non-adjustable at the cuff. However, you've got zips. Don't know if I can see an entire £50 more premiumness, to be honest. Right, so next up we've got end clothing with the Fear of God. All right, there you go, the Essentials bag. This is what you get with all of them. One thing I also got a hoodie, which we'll get into in a second. This is a Fear of God hoodie. This is what I want to take a look at first. So this is the Fear of God Essentials track pant. First off, these are extremely thin, like definitely the thinnest out of all of them. Like you hold it up to light and it is going straight through. Not even double layered. It's literally single layered, like nylon, I guess, is obviously the material that they're using. This is a nice color though. It's like beige. For the classic Fear of God Essentials branding right there on the crotch area, just saying Essentials. And of course you have the Fear of God Essentials down on the lower leg region. Now this is a size small, so I'm very interested to see if their kind of joggers or track pants run true to size or if they're larger, just like the hoodies. So we'll definitely have to check that out. Keep in mind, these cost £120 at retail. In the past, we've taken a look at plenty of different Fear of God Essential hoodies. I think it's been like 2 or 3 now. And I've gotten small, I've gotten large, and this is now the one size I haven't tried that potentially could fit me. This hoodie is a large that I'm wearing right now, and I normally buy large t-shirts, large hoodies. However, when I bought the Fear of God hoodie in a large, I was drowning in it. It was huge. Here we go. This is a triple black Fear of God hoodie. Maybe a greenish tinge to it, like if you could see it compared to the one I have right now. When you compare this color to black, you can notice there's a very big difference, but I feel like when you have it on its own, it looks black. So it's a very strange color. All right, here we go. This is the Essentials hoodie. It's got a bunch of fluff on it, but that was straight out the bag. this is actually, I think, a bit of a better fit than the small, to be honest. The small was a little bit short on me. However, this one seems to be just about perfect. Like, as you can see, if I lift my hands up, you know, it's not completely pulling up my t-shirt like the small did. The small was very high. This one just passes my waistline, which I think is perfect. You don't want it too low. Sleeve length, probably just about perfect as well. So if you are normally a large, get a medium. If you're normally a medium, get a small. If you're normally a small, they do have extra small. Just know it is going to be a bit oversized, which again, I like. So basically, I'm just gonna give you my final thoughts after trying them on, because I think it's very different when you have them in hand. Let's just start off with the first one, which is basically the regular kind of basic Nike track pant. These were actually a pretty decent fit and they kind of felt pretty good. I mean, again, it's nothing that's gonna stand out. However, I feel like for the price being at 70, you are not going to be too disappointed. I feel like if you're looking for a basic track pant, this really does do the job. It's nothing insane, however, it is pretty decent. Again, I went for a small because I do have a smaller waist, so I'm about a 30. Sometimes I get a medium, however, this one pretty much fit perfectly as a small. Now, the Adidas ones were not as good as I thought they were going to be. What I realized was the leg was super straight. Like, as you look at that, it is dead straight. And I don't think that's necessarily how naturally your legs are. So it doesn't really complement your legs that well, and it looks a little bit strange. I'm probably going to have to say I wasn't a big fan. Now, that is just kind of personal preference. As far as sizing goes, these do fit pretty well, I guess. Around the waist they felt good, around the legs they felt good, so no issues in terms of sizing. Again, this is a small. Pretty much everything I'm going to talk about here is a small. So I do have to say that for the same price as the Nike ones at £70, these are pretty okay, but I just didn't like how they looked on me, and I definitely would say that I preferred the Nike one. The next ones I tried on is the Drake and Nike Nocta. Now this one is £120. Did say at the beginning of the video, I thought that was a bit steep and you're probably not gonna get your money's worth. However, after trying them on, these feel premium on your legs as well. They kind of feel nicer than the regular track pants. Now, again, I don't know if that's necessarily worth the extra money. However, I do have to say that these overall do feel premium, and they also feel good when you have them on. They're comfortable. They feel like they're going to be a lot warmer than the regular ones. But overall, they're pretty much just black track pants. There's nothing that special except for the logos that you get on them. So again, this is a small. Waist felt really good. Around the legs, it felt really good. Not too tight and not too oversized. Right, so the last one is the Fear of God ones. Now listen, look, we have had so many chances to try on different sizes of Fear of God stuff, and I feel like just everything in the entire Fear of God Essentials line just varies so much in size, because I would say that this track pant, the Essentials track pant, is too small. I don't know if they necessarily look too tight. They kind of just look like skinny track pants, and I guess in terms of preferability, if you prefer a skinnier fit, then that looks, I guess, what you would like it to. But for me personally, for a size small, they were significantly smaller than all of the other ones I tried on. Just based off of the materials and what you get for £120, I'm not saying this is worth it at all. I mean, I feel like in terms of the materials, I prefer the regular basic ass Nike ones, and definitely prefer the Drake and Nocta ones. But that pretty much sums it up for my thoughts on the track pants and this clothing haul in general. Again, if you like this video, if you like the clothing haul videos or the clothing style videos, I know you guys have mentioned in the past to do more clothing videos, so let me know if this is something you enjoy, or if there's anything specific that you want me to touch on in a different video clothing wise. But that pretty much wraps it up. Thank you guys so much for coming through for yet another video, hanging out, commenting, liking, and subscribing. I'll catch you all in the next one. But until then.